Welcome back to another episode of Chad Trades, coming in from a slightly chilly Sunshine Coast, Australia. Today I'm going to show you Bitcoin analysis at the end, just a bit of short-term Bitcoin analysis at the end. But first we're going to look at an absolute piece of shit Ponzi-nomic shitcoin that should be shorted all the way to zero.
You heard it here first, zero!
And is a potential large, maybe 50x gain on that short if you get in at the right time. So, shitcoin of the evening is BNX. You can see that there's no market cap on CoinGecko, no market cap, good sign. No market cap, it often gets a good amount of pumping in a bull rally because people don't know how to value it. But you know, suspicious. Binance Smart Chain, decide what you will about that. Let's have a look at the website first, what it is offering, and then we'll look at the TA. Here we have Binary X on Binance Smart Chain, showing some sorts of open world metaverse-like experience from a game that is not the actual game, from what I can see. Let's have a look. We'll press play. We'll watch this together.
We have always war, turned heroes into monsters, and decimated our foes.
How's the voice on it?
Heroes are waiting to be summoned.
Same stats on every card. This is fucked.
Now, our
Time for battle. Same stats on every single card.
And you must face the monsters. Battle begins to show them what you get.
This is fucked.
Go into Magic House. Receive your karma. Monsters are back. Is an oath worth the weight of your honor?
Fuck that. Okay, so that's the coin, and surprisingly, if we bring it up, we can see that it has been an absolute bullshit tear since the 24th of January. This thing is up monstrously. It is up 600%. What an investment that would have been, 800%. But I bring this to your attention today because a lower low has been put in. Low, 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 range, low, 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 lower low. So typically you'll see a lower high put in first before a lower low. But so this is what usually would have been seen first. Weakness. Didn't even get to do it. It was weakness. Complete and utter weakness. Sorry, the microphone around the wrong way. Complete and utter weakness. So if you have shorting instruments available, if you use ByBit, maybe Binance might have it to short. I am on ByBit. I'm just waiting for a breakdown of this range, and we are on. We may get a run higher because there's a complete consolidation right now with stochastic momentum pointing up and hidden bullish divergence. So these are bullish signals coming on off a consolidation. So now potentially we will get that attempt for that lower high, but I'm giving this to you now just in case we get the breakdown from this range with Bitcoin price potentially going down as well. So that's something to keep in mind. Better to be aware of it, put it on your shorting watch list, but you won't find many shit coins that look that shit where the price action looks this good. So there'll be some sort of manipulation at play for sure, some sort of burning mechanism, or some sort of Ponzi buyback scheme that's going on to keep this up, or maybe like a Asian country just building a community and just flowing into it, or Binance, maybe the exchange, because on Binance Smart Chain it's been promoted by Binance itself. Maybe there is some shit going on, but I'm telling you, once this domino starts falling, it's falling hard, and there is a long way to fall. You won't see many, if any, shitcoins with this with an 86% drop to the low that was made this year. So that is recent lows, that is big lows. Put this on your watch list, And like I said, when it's time to start taking profits and shorten this bitch into the ground, I'm telling you, this will go down hard, and for a long time, and rightfully so. Now we'll just take a quick look at Bitcoin price. You can see that moving in this ascending channel, so a bear flag. That is a bear flag. This was drawn here by myself when we had a breakout of this pennant, the bear pennant in orange, and the breakout, I drew this when there was this red candle here, so looking for retest of this bear pennant. Hadn't busted through yet, and now obviously it has. So we can see that this I don't usually like to draw ascending channels or trend lines at all on wicks. Usually prefer candle bodies, but you can see here that the wicks are holding the most weight and respect. You can see not only do we have the price sitting at the bottom of a bear pennant, but also the bottom of ascending channel. So we might not even make it to this area. If we reclaim this area, then yep, I believe that this arrow will be relevant. But until then, this is dangling on an edge. You've got probably a pretty good risk to reward ratio, putting a opening position and putting a stop loss below previous wick lows, because as you can see, it's still this is an uptrend, higher highs and higher lows slightly, and higher lows on candle closes very, very slightly. You can see the dotted line there on the candle close, just barely, but it's still. So obviously CPI data comes out in 6 hours from recording of this, so that'll have a large impact obviously. And then the stock market has a massive impact as well. Quickly look at the stock market. This is the ES1 exclamation point. It is S&P 500 E-mini futures, runs more hours than the classical S&P chart. You can see this is just a huge, this is a daily chart, right? So this is a long withholding downwards descending channel, just powering through. Recently we had a run to the highs, but look what's happened here. It's made a double top, a lower high, and then it's flipped the resistance. So the support, it's flipped support to resistance. So the previous support on this red box here, you can see price action, support, resistance, support, flipped it again. It is now resistance. There's a long way down. We have confirmed hidden bearish divergence, suggesting trend continuation to the downside, and the stochastic momentum has flipped over. So stochastic momentum flipping over, plus sitting under these most popular moving averages, and then a consolidation of volatility. So potentially might even get, well, it'll be likely news based from the CPI numbers anyways. But Bitcoin and stock market hanging on the edge.
But I'll tell you this, when they turn, the rally will be jaw-dropping.
You can put a tight stop loss underneath both of them if you're trading them, with a pretty good risk to reward ratio. Upside unlimited, downside confirmation of breakdown equals stop loss. Easy as that. But yeah, just expecting Bitcoin and the crypto market to follow the stock market as usual, especially on these macro events like today. Hope that's helped. Peace and love. I'll see you at the bottom with BNX. I'll see you at the bottom with BNX. Ugh. If you enjoy the content I provide, the angle we hit the market from, and don't mind giving us a second to plug our own program, then come check us out on blockchainbulls.io. Direct contact with myself and the Blockchain Bulls all-star team and community over 4 Telegram channels. Market updates, our signature daily bull score, the week ahead newsletter, profitable trade ideas and trade setups, quizzes and events where you can win rewards in Bitcoin, and our very own Steezy D-Gen keeping us up to date with the weekly roundup and the best crypto news and P2E gaming that you need to see. Whether you're brand new to crypto or a veteran, we'll be sure to set you up with all the best information to give you a fight and go. If you have any questions, just swing us an email found below in the description of this video, and we will work out whether this program is right for you. Cheers.